Hello, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to put your DUOQIN F22 Pro phone into recovery mode. And the first thing I'm going to do is shut our phone down completely by holding the power down button or the hang up button and then clicking on power off. Now we're going to wait for our phone to shut down, and once it has shut down, we're going to hold the hang up button and the volume up buttons at the same time. So the volume up button should be on the side of your phone, and once I hold these two buttons, this menu should appear, the recovery mode menu. And now we're going to select the recovery mode option by using the volume up button and then clicking the volume down button to accept, to confirm. So I'm going to select recovery mode and I'm going to click volume down. And now once our phone reboots again, we should be in recovery mode. Okay, so if it says no command, what you're gonna do is hold the power button once again, so this button, and the volume button again, really quickly. There we go. And now you're in the recovery mode, where you can select all of these options and do whatever you want. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.